guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a what I got for Christmas video. I wasn't planning on filming this, but I kind of wanted to. I just wasn't sure if people would actually like it, so I did a poll on my Instagram, which I will have linked down below, and you guys voted that you did want to see this video, so here I am filming it. Real quick before I get started though, just a disclaimer, I'm not filming this video in any way to brag about anything I got. I'm super blessed and grateful that I did get the things I did. I'm only filming this video because that's what the majority of the people on my Instagram wanted me to do, and I know it would be great, especially for like other college students, for ideas on what they can ask for Christmas, or what you can get another college student or teenager for Christmas if you don't have any idea. So the first thing that I'm going to get into is my stocking. This was one of my mom's old stockings, and it was hand knitted by her grandma or her aunt. I don't remember which one. The first thing I have is a llama face mask, and it's just calming and toning. It's lavender scented. And I have a EOS peppermint mocha chapstick. Next, she got me a whole bunch of these just nail polish remover wipes, which will be super useful, like especially when Zach and I are traveling. Then I just got some candy, so I got a Nerds rope. I love these things. These are Sweet Tart mini chews, so they're like little round soft Sweet Tart. Next, I got a tube of toothpaste. Funny story, I saw a Costco pack of toothpaste in the bathroom, so I asked my mom, I was like, hey, can I have one of those for Christmas? Because I know she's not going to use 4 in like probably even 2 years, and Zach and I need toothpaste, so she got me that. And then lastly, I just got a Victoria's Secret Rollerball perfume, which will be great to put in my purse or to keep in my backpack. And this thing is getting glitter all over me. I haven't smelled it yet. Ooh, this is cute. It has like a little ring thing on it with the little Victoria's Secret wings. So let me see. I haven't smelled this yet. She said she didn't even smell it either, which I'm surprised she got me this because she doesn't like scented stuff. Ooh, this smells really good actually. It kind of smells like a perfume she used to wear when I was little. So that was it for my stocking. Next, I think I will move on to presents from my grandparents. So for my dad's parents, I got a bag of Hershey's Kisses with almonds in them. I've been loving these lately, and I've never seen the Kisses with the almonds in them, so that's cool. I also already got into these. So next thing I got from my dad's parents is a wireless charger, which is Samsung, and I have an iPhone, but it still works with it. It's good for iPhone 8, X, and Samsung. And lastly, from my dad's parents, I just have a 1-pound Hershey's chocolate bar, which this might even take me a while to get. And from my mom's parents, I just got a $50 gift card so that I can buy myself a 23andMe or Ancestry DNA kit. So first is like my actual present from my aunt, and then she also was my Secret Santa, so I have a separate present for that. But I have some little biscotti like cookie type things that she gave me. And then I got a pack of nail files, which is awesome because I only have one, and it is definitely starting to run down because I use it so much. Then from a local company, she just got me a goat's milk hand lotion, which it smells really good, and hopefully, I haven't tried it out yet. I don't really use lotion that much because I don't like it making my hands feel greasy. I only use like the EOS lotion. So hopefully, since this is like goat's milk or whatever, it won't be super greasy. And so yeah, this is made locally where I live. And along with that, I also got a bar of goat's milk soap, and I'm not going to open it right now because I want to take it home with me, but it's just in the scent vanilla cream. And then I also got a pack of makeup wipes. So then next, my Secret Santa gift from my aunt. First, she got me a Le Creuset like casserole dish, which is awesome, and to go with that, she also got me a Magnolia Table Joanna Gaines cookbook, which I'm so excited to use. And Zach and I were looking through this right after she gave it to me, and definitely the first thing I think we're going to be cooking as soon as we get home is more white chicken enchiladas. And we'll definitely be using this, so thank you so much to my aunt. So then from Zach's mom, she got me some stuff. First, she just got me lavender hand soap, which I love the lavender scent. She also got me a lavender body scrub, lavender bath salts, and a bar of lavender essential oil soap. And then she also got me a loofah. And lastly, since Zach is going to be moving up with me in January and I only recently moved into my own place, we don't have a lot of games and I love playing games. So she got us Uno. So thank you so much to Zach's mom for all of that. I can't wait to use it when we get home. I'll just go into the games then, since that's where I left off. My mom also got us a bunch of games. That was pretty much the main thing that I asked for. So the first thing that she got me is 5 Crowns. It's supposed to be like a rummy kind of game. We haven't played it yet and I haven't really read it much. So we'll definitely have to look into this more. Then she just got me LCR Wild. Then she got me Wits and Wagers, which this game we've played a bunch already and it's so fun. So basically it's a trivia game and it asks you a bunch of like really hard random questions, like how tall is the Statue of Liberty's right arm? And then everyone, or like the teams, tries to guess as close as they can without going over, and then you all bet on each other's answers to see who you think is the closest. And if you are the closest, you get a chip, and if you bet on the closest, you get chips, depending on how much you bet. And so we've been having a lot of fun playing this. Next, she just got me this game called Sushi Go. It's a card game, I guess. She said she's in like a Facebook group and this game was highly talked about and it does have like an award. I haven't looked at this one much yet either, but it seems fun. So like you kind of make like sushi with the cards. I don't know exactly. We'll definitely have to try to play this when we go back up, or my mom and I before I leave. And the last game that she got me, this one actually and the Wits and Wagers game were kind of for my sister and I to share, but I'm not sure how we'll share them yet just because I live 6 hours away. But this game is called What Do You Meme? And it's like Cards Against Humanity, pretty much exactly the same, except you get caption cards, and then instead of like the fill-in-the-blank black cards, they are like meme pictures. And oh my god, you guys, this game, it came with a pack of like explicit cards. Oh my god, this is like 1,000 times worse than Cards Against Humanity, or if you play like the phone game Evil Apples, which is like super inappropriate. This game, we were playing with my grandparents. It was insane. Zach said there were like a couple cards he got that he just like discarded because he was not about to say those in front of our families. But it was so much fun. Oh my god, we were dying laughing at some of the answers. So yeah, I can't wait to play this game when we go back up with like my roommates and friends. This will be so much fun to play. Then the 2 things that Zach got me too, which I told him not to get me anything because he paid for pretty much our entire Disneyland trip, which was super sweet of him. And I appreciate so much, but he got me this ring that I'm wearing. I forget the name of the stone. He had got me one with my birthstone too, but it's at K's being resized. So he got me this ring, and he also got me the matching necklace. So lastly, I just have 4 more things from my mom. So really quick, one of the things she got me is slippers. When I had my ankle surgeries, which I haven't talked about those much, a couple years ago, it was like 3 years ago now, oh my gosh. I had my ankle surgery. I had to get some slippers for it because I didn't have any. And my mom started wearing them and her feet are like 3 sizes bigger than mine. And so they got like super stretched out. And she also got me a pair of really pretty rose gold diamond earrings. I love wearing diamond earrings. I wear them all the time. I can't wait to wear these. Next, if you guys know me at all, I am obsessed with my dog. She's my best friend in the entire world and I love her like crazy. So it's only fitting my mom got me a mug that says Crazy Dog Lady. When I moved up there, I didn't have any coffee mugs at all, and I just bought 2 cheap ones from Target, so this would be nice to have. And then in the inside, there's just a paw print, which is super cute. But I'll always be thinking of my dog, even though I already am 24/7. And lastly, she just got me a Hamilton Beach hand mixer, but she didn't realize that at my like graduation safe and sober party. I had the same mixer, but it's a stand mixer and the hand part is detachable, so it can be a hand mixer too. So that's gonna be it for what I got for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!